Hi everyone. Do you think that mathematics is so difficult? Then change your mind. Here comes our students Sanjita and Justina ready to take you to the interesting world of mathematics.
Hello everyone, we are super excited to be here today. I am Sanjita
and I am Justina. We together take you into an interesting world of
linear equations in two variables.
Let me ask you a simple question. What if I say the sum of two numbers are 10?
Not really, because there are many pairs like 7 and 3, 6 and 4 and etc.
Yes, that's because we have only one equation and two variables. This is known as linear equations in two variables, usually written as ax plus by plus c equal to 0.
Where a, b, c are real numbers and x and y are variables.
Let's take a real life scenario. Sanjita and I are buying pens and pencils.
One pen costs 10 and one pencil costs 5. If I buy them together and spend 50, the equation becomes 10x plus 5y is equal to 50, where x are pens and y are pencils.
Now we can find all the combination and the total is 50. Sanjita, let me give you a simple equation. Can you solve it?
Yes, Justina.
3x plus 2y plus 12. Sanjita, I remember we bought 2 pens. I forgot how many pencils we bought.
Don't worry, Justina. Let me help you. We know that we bought 2 pencils. 3 times 2 plus 2y is equal to 12. 3 times 2 gives us 6. 6 plus 2y is equal to 12. 2y is equal to 12. This plus 6 will become minus 6. 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. This multiplication 2 will become division. 6 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Y is equal to 3. So, the number of pencils we bought is 3. Just simple, right? Substituting the values and finding answers.
At last, what we learned today?
Linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions and can be useful in daily life.
If someone says math is boring, show them these interesting topics which is related to education,
Money.
and shopping and etc.
Math teaches that every problem has solution, sometimes even 2 solutions.
We hope that this topic has reached you. Thank you.
Join us at Rishs International School, Vepur, Arcot for a vibrant experience.